Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cactus Minute. In today's episode we are looking at Mammillaria Fraileana. Now this is one of the few Mammillaria that I grow, and the main reason that I grow this guy is not necessarily for the body form, which I don't think is anything too spectacular, but it's for the flowers, which I think are absolutely gorgeous. Nice bright white with a soft pink stripe down the center. And these are actually very large flowers for Mammillaria, which generally have much smaller flowers, and they grow as like a sort of a crown. Whereas this particular variety has larger flowers that don't, in my experience anyways, grow in that crown formation. This guy does have hook spines, which are like lots and lots of little fishing hooks, and this guy tends to get stuck on absolutely everything. I try and move something and you know, he'll latch onto my arm or my hand or my clothing. I've sent this cactus flying across the floor so many times. So you can see here that it grows in a fairly, I wouldn't say a column, but a little bit more elongated form. Dense spinage, and the spines are sort of a tinge of sort of a red colour. In terms of difficulty, look, this guy I would say is fairly easy to grow. We'd put him around a 4 to a 5, sort of your baseline sort of difficulty level for a cactus. I've given him lots and lots of water with you know, very little to no ill effect, and on the other end of the scale I've been very stingy with the water, and again not noticed much other than the usual issues of, you know, the body shrinking and things like that, and taking a little bit to recover. This guy took a little while to flower. He didn't flower straight away. I think I probably had him 4 years before he decided to flower, but definitely a beautiful flower. Now the mix that I've got this guy in is a very high mineral mix. So it's probably an 80 or a 90-10 ratio in favour of gravel, and he's on the same sort of fertiliser regime as all the other cactus, and that's just the once a year, and in the growing season weekly watering, and then nil throughout the downtime or winter. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye.